Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Moringa versus Wheatgrass full comparison. Start by listing your main goals and any dietary limits so you can pick the best option for you. Consider taste preferences, supplement form, and budget. I'll walk through key nutrients, common benefits, and practical ways to add each to smoothies, meals, or capsules so you can decide with confidence. Moringa versus Wheatgrass brings different strengths to the table in a friendly, practical way. Moringa often shines for vitamin A, calcium, and easy protein boosts, while wheatgrass is prized for chlorophyll and detox-supporting molecules. I'll explain how these differences affect energy, immunity, and mineral needs. You'll learn which plant suits morning smoothies, which works better in capsule form, and simple combos to try together. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for durable, comfy wear that outlasts grocery store pairs. I use them on hikes and when testing recipes in the kitchen, so they pair nicely with active wellness choices. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When deciding between Moringa and wheatgrass, think about preparation and tolerance. Moringa handles heat and blends into soups or shakes, while wheatgrass is commonly juiced or added raw to smoothies for a chlorophyll hit. Start with small amounts to assess digestion and avoid interactions if you take medications. I'll offer safe starting doses, taste tips, and ways to combine them so you get benefits without surprises.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.